Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am here at the Pearl Qatar. This is only the one artificial island of Qatar, which is made especially for a European country. It's made just look like a European area. So I would definitely like to recommend to visit this place when you come in Qatar. This place is just amazing. So today I am going to capture the most wonderful area of here. So without further delay, let's begin the tour.
Guys, the Pearl Qatar is an artificial island spanning nearly 4 square kilometers. It is the first land in Qatar to be available for freehold ownership by foreign nationals. As of 2018, there are 27,000 residents. The island is located 350 meters offshore of Doha's West Bay Lagoon area. In 2004, when the project was first revealed, the initial cost of constructing the island stood at 2.5 billion. It is now believed the project will cost 15 billion upon completion. Guys, here you can get luxurious residential areas, apartments, restaurants, coffee shops and much more. There is no entry fee to go Pearl Qatar. You can go anytime, but only some restaurants and shops open 24 hours. Guys, Pearl Qatar is a yacht hangar with skyscrapers on its circumference, with an exclusive shopping markets from Rolls-Royce, Ferrari to Europe's best brands.
Friends, now I am here at Medina Central, and from here I will go to Floresta Gardens. So I'm just walking. I will not take taxi. It's too much expensive here, taxi. So I will go by walk. So let's continue. It's too hot temperature here. It's I think it should be above 40 degrees Celsius. I will keep continue my journey. Guys, I have finally arrived here at Floresta Garden. You can see the garden is very beautiful.
As you know guys, we have to wait only 1 year more for FIFA World Cup 2022, which is going to held in Qatar, and we all are very exciting for the World Cup. So I think this place would be full of crowd at that time. Guys, now I'm in metro bus. It is free of cost, so I will go through this bus.
evening now. I'm gonna shoot some night scene of here, guys. You can see this is metro bus station. This is good thing here that if we have to approach at metro station, then we can use metro bus, which is free of cost. We just have to wait at here bus station. This was the journey of the Pearl Qatar. Hopefully you will like this video. Please subscribe to our channel to stay connected with us. So for today this is the end. See, I have too much perspiration, too much hot temperature here. So see you in next video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.